Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the very first episode of Travel to Me. I'm Tumi and today I'm gonna talk about the beach access situation in Ksamil, Albania. So yeah, the reason I'm here is that actually I'm right now at the public beach of Ksamil. When you ask locals, usually they will tell you that there is no public beach and I gladly found that place. It's just a few meters, or let's say 200-300 meters outside of the city center, outside of the main place where you can have a swim in Ksamil. And let me show you how it looks. It's very rocky. Here is the beautiful Riviera of Ksamil. Right over there you can see Corfu, the Greek Isle, which is in front of Ksamil. And this place here is the rocky public beach of Ksamil. You see a lot of big rocks, small rocks, stones and natural waves and the seaside. And over here I can also show you the public beach sign, which says that there are no lifeguards on duty. So the reason why I wanted to show you this and talk about it is that it's a thing that catched my eyes. You know, usually you need when you have a beach travel, usually you go on vacation on different beaches in Italy, in Europe, for example, in Greece, in Spain. You can choose between buying or renting a beach bed and also choosing to not to do that and just go there with your towel. In Ksamil, but also in most parts of the touristy places in Albania, also the areas near Saranda, there you cannot do that. If you go there to the beach, very quickly someone will come to you and say, hey, stop it, you cannot sit here, you need to have a bed, sir. And this was the reason why I wanted to do this video and show a bit about the alternatives you have. So if you don't want to buy that bed, or if you don't want to be at that area, because also there is a lot of loud music, a lot of people, very crowded, not so naturally lived, you have only a few options. The best option to be in the city area and not so far from your apartment is to be at this area where the rocks are. They are quite uncomfortable, I have to say. You need to find a a bit of a nice spot. Maybe you can find it if you look further, but mainly it is quite difficult to find a pleasant place here without paying quite a lot of money. And yeah, I was thinking about that topic a couple of days ago, and I think that on the one hand it's legitimate business and you can do that, of course, and Albania now is skyrocketing in tourism figures. I think this year more than 2 million people visited Albania already, so it's a lot of tourism coming. At the same time, I think that you want people to return, you want people to come back, and the environment which Albania offers you is a bit not so welcoming, because the loud music, you have to pay for every bed you want to sit, there is no option for like something else. And also if you want to have, for example, a little drive out to the coastal towns, the public transport is not well developed, so you need to rent a car. And also, even if you go outside of Ksamil area, you see that also there in between the rocks there are places where you have to pay entry, there are places where you have to pay for the beds. So if you want to travel on a budget, or if you want to just save money, or even just have the choice to not go on a paid bed, where also the beds are very very near to each other. They wanted to make the best effort out of it, so you don't even have like a lot of space for yourself. Then I would really not recommend you to come to Ksamil, because it's not that easy to find a nice place with decent prices and also a good access to the sea. I would recommend you to go on other places and look by yourself, but this is of course a main factor which makes it not so good to consider this place. And even if you come here, I would not see that why someone should return. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Have a nice day.